Hi, there is another coin which is up for grabs. There'll be an airdrop which will actually be dropped. So what you need to do is you have to head on to the description section, then you click on the link. Okay, so the link will look like this. So what you do is you click it. When you click it, it will lead you to Telegram. To lead you to Telegram, and then boom, it will load like this. So now what you will need to do from here is this. It has to bring a command like start tanking. You've seen that one which is in the bottom left. When you click it, you will find yourself on this interface, and then you simply click wallet, and for the first time you will be given 1,000 tan coins. That's tanking, but you will need to convert these. If you happen to hit 50,000 tan kings, you need to convert that into tan coin, and you need to withdraw that into your trust wallet. So for the first time, when you just happen to log on and you find yourself here, you need to click get bonus. I had already claimed this, so I can't claim again. Let me show you. If I click it, it's loading, and they're saying you can only take bonus once every 24 hours. So when you claim right now, you need to wait until 24 hours go by. That's when you need to claim again. Okay, and make sure that you use my invitation code for you to get the bonus. Okay, so far I have 7,000 tan kings. So now, how do you withdraw this? So you need to swipe up, and then if you already have 50,000 tan kings, you need to punch in 50,000 here, and then click enter wallet address. Okay, when you click enter wallet address, you need to head on to Trust Wallet. Let me take you there. Where is Trust Wallet? There you are. And then you click it. Come on, enter your password to log in. So when you're in, you need to search for tan coin. Okay. So that's the one which is on top, tan coin BNB Smart Chain. When you click it, it will bring you to this interface, and then you click receive. When you click receive, you'll see an address which you need to copy. When you copy it, let me copy it. Okay, so now after copying the address, you need to go back to Tan King, and then paste the address here, and then you click withdraw. So whatever you will withdraw will actually be withdrawn into your trust wallet, and the rest will be shown to you. So for now, what you need to do is you begin to share with other people, so that you bring in people, and you're given bonuses for inviting people. So now, how do you share the invitation link? So you can click home, then you click earnings. This is where you're going to find the invitation link, so you can copy that and then share it with the people that you want to share it with.